Have you noticed that everywhere you look, the conversation always leads back to artificial intelligence? Some see a miracle that will change the world. Others see a threat to our livelihoods. Some even warn of an existential risk to humanity. But behind the hype and the headlines, what is AI really? And more importantly, why are we so afraid of it? Today, we're stripping away the jargon. By the end of this video, you'll understand what AI is, what it isn't, and whether we should be afraid or just prepared. At its core, artificial intelligence is technology designed to mimic human cognitive functions. It's about teaching machines to do things that, until now, only we could do. In simple terms, AI is teaching a computer how to act like it thinks. But there's a catch. AI doesn't think like you or me. It has no emotions, no consciousness. It doesn't understand the world. It calculates it. It works by inhaling massive amounts of data, finding the hidden patterns, and making a prediction based on those patterns. That's it. It's not magic. It's math. You might think AI is a futuristic concept, but the truth is, it's already living in your pocket. It's the engine behind your Netflix recommendations. It's the invisible hand suggesting your next YouTube video. It's the brain inside Google Maps finding the fastest route through traffic. When your phone unlocks by scanning your face, or your email identifies spam before you see it, that's AI. It's not a shiny robot walking down the street. It's silent software, working quietly in the background of your life. If AI is this useful, why the anxiety? Why the fear? It usually boils down to three things. First, economic survival. People worry AI will replace them for repetitive, routine tasks. That shift is already happening. Second, the black box. AI can make decisions in milliseconds, but often we don't know how it reached those conclusions. That lack of transparency is unsettling. Third, the human element. AI is a tool, and like any tool, it can be used for harm. Deepfakes, misinformation, and mass surveillance aren't science fiction. They are modern realities. Let's clear the air. AI is not a human mind. It doesn't have goals or desires. It doesn't want to take over the world because it doesn't want anything. A hammer doesn't decide to build a house. It's a tool in the hands of a builder. AI only does what we design it to do, based on the data we provide. The real danger isn't the machine, it's how we choose to use it. So, should we be afraid? Not blindly, but we shouldn't be blindly optimistic either. AI is as powerful as electricity or the internet. It will reshape our world for better and for worse. The best response isn't fear, it's literacy. The more we understand how these systems work, the better we can steer the future. If this helped you see the intelligence a bit more clearly, hit the like button and subscribe. Let's keep the conversation going in the comments.